This is Rohan Pal, and today we will be going through a new project launched by Romel, which is Romel Amor in Andheri West. So let's have a look. So we will go through a walkthrough. This is this central building is the upcoming project Romel Amor, just surrounded by locations like you have the Azad Nagar metro station right over there, nearby sports complex, Mumbai Football Arena. Beside, you have MVM Educational Campus, few offices, a nearby hospital. Minatai Thakre Hospital is just a 5 minutes walking distance. And obviously, Jai Helen de Mello Garden. So let's have a look at the show flats. Again, 1 and 2 BHK is available. In Andheri West, 1 BHK in such good building is not yet available. You can see the building has a 5-storied parking and 18-storied living area. Total it is still plus 23-storied building. And as you can see, none of the buildings around this is as tall as this one. So you get a very good view from the highest floors. As you can see, even if you start from the first floor, which is technically the 6th floor, you get a pretty nice view. So let's have a look at the show flat. First we will go through the 1 BHK. So this is the 1 BHK. I started with the bedroom actually. Let's take you to the living room. So this will be your entrance. As soon as you open the door and come in, you will have your dining room on your left, and this is your couch set. From the dining room, you will have a look of the kitchen. Again, modular kitchens is available. You have French windows over here. So this is a unique thing in that 1 BHK. You have 2 toilets, 2 bathrooms, one common and one attached to the bedroom. Let's have a look at the bedroom. We go in the living room again, and then this is the passage. So the living room looks like this from the passage, and over here you can see your bedroom, attached bathroom, and the other common washroom. Let's have a look at the bedroom. Quite spacious. A full king size bed is accommodable over here. You have a beautiful view from here. As soon as you wake up, you get a beautiful view from your window. So this is the 1 BHK of Romel Amor. Let's have the look of the 2 BHKs. Even the 2 BHK is very attractive. It is very uniquely designed. So this is the 2 BHK. I have actually started from the bedroom again. let's jump in to the hallway, and this is the living room. This will be your entrance, and as usual you have your dining room on your left and couch set right in front of you. This side is a passage for your bedroom 2, and that side you have your bedroom 1. So bedroom 1 is your master bedroom actually. It has an attached washroom over here. This will be your attached washroom, and this will be your master bedroom. And have a look at the washroom. Actually, the other side is blocked by the door. The washroom is actually very spacious. Let's have a look at this second bedroom. For that we need to go in the living room, and from there we go to the passage. A common bathroom is given over here, and this is the bedroom 2. Even the second bedroom is quite spacious. It is not attached with a bathroom. For this you have to use the common washroom. So regarding the amenities, you get all the amenities are mostly on the rooftop, the terrace. You have your swimming pool, a gym, and a terrace garden. So 1 BHK and 2 BHK is available, and now you get a very special deal. You just have to pay 10% now, and the rest is on possession. For more details, contact us. Our numbers are given over here. Please contact us. And for more information, most of the information regarding flat size and everything is given on the description of this video. And please contact us for site visits, and you may even contact us or WhatsApp us for floor plan. And if you want to go through this walk through yourself, then you can even contact us. So here again, I'm Rohan Pal signing off, and thank you for watching.